We are less than a week away from the Nothing Phone 1 launch, and the brand's official TikTok account shared confirmation about the phone's refresh rate and under-display fingerprint scanner. Nothing Phone 1 will bring a 120Hz refresh rate screen. As we can see the smooth display option in the settings menu, which confirms the phone will be able to automatically toggle between 16Hz and 120Hz for some content. We also see that there are 10 built-in notification sounds and ability to add your own sounds. Based on the most recent rumors, Nothing Phone 1 will feature a 6.55-inch OLED display, Snapdragon 778G chipset, and a 4500 mAh battery with 45-watt charging.